Well, hello, students. This is Mr. Kennedy, and I am going to be your computer science teacher here starting on Monday. So right now it is Saturday, January 2nd. Hopefully you guys enjoyed your holiday break and your New Year's. I'm just giving this video just to give you some expectations of what I expect from you, since some of you I will not be able to see during the course of my class. So if you are a hybrid student, which means you're here Monday, Thursday, or Tuesday, Friday, or you're a fully blended student online, there's some important information in this video that I want to share. So what you're looking at right now is the Schoology course. Now this is just a 7th grade Schoology course from last rotation. So if you go to Schoology right now, currently you probably will not see anything. But pretty much the way I have it set up is each folder is a week's worth of work. So when you get into Schoology, you want to start obviously with whatever day we're on. So when you access Schoology on Monday, the 4th, you'll click on week 1, and instead of these dates, what you're going to see is you're just going to see Monday, because that's the day that you're currently working. So you will not see Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, or Friday. So what I do is I post those the morning of. So unfortunately, you're not going to be able to work ahead in my class. So if you try to access material, let's say on Wednesday, but you try to access that material on Tuesday, it's not going to be available. So I'll have all the folders in there, and it'll pretty much tell you what to do for that day. Okay, so again, I'll just click on, let's say, Tuesday, and this is week 1 of my previous. So here's an assignment. You click on the assignment, and it tells you what to do. With a lot of the online material, there will be a lot of videos that you'll need to watch. So for example, in-class students, we go over this in class. Online students, there's videos that I cover some different things that you need to be aware of for that day. All right. So we know now how to access materials. Hopefully you all can get into Schoology. If you can't, you can always email me with the email address that I just sent to you and your parents. All right, so that's pretty much how to access course materials. You'll see the week folders, and then you'll see some other things which I'll go over the course of the week, the course, the 36 days that I have you. Up at the top, we have a missing work document, and I'll click on that just to kind of show you here. So this is actually my second rotation of the previous rotation, and pretty much what it has is it has every student that I have, and it actually shows the work that you're missing or that you handed in. So there's no grades or anything on this document, but in case you're wondering, well, did I hand this in? Did Mr. Kennedy grade it? Things like that. You can see here that green means done, red means not done. So these are some students that had to finish up some last minute things last rotation. So I'll update that, and I'll talk more about that at another time. All right, so that's Schoology. The second thing I want to talk about is Zooms. I know some of your teachers require you to log in to get into Zooms and things like that, your homeroom teachers, for attendance. As far as my class goes, for the most part, there will not be any Zooms that you're required to go to. When we have online blended learning days, or when I feel like there's several students that are having trouble with something, I may hold a Zoom. But other than that, if you don't hear from me, there will be no Zooms unless you see a Zoom information in a folder. So if you click on a folder and you click on, let's say, week 2 Tuesday, and it happened, there's a Zoom in there, then there will be a Zoom required for that day. But for the most part, there's no Zooms. So there's a lot of responsibility for you at home and hybrid students that you have to keep up with the work. If I see that work is not getting turned in, or you're having trouble, you're missing a lot of assignments, then Zooms may be required, just for me to check up on some of you and making sure that you're getting your work done. All right, so that's kind of how Zooms are going to work. So we went over Schoology, missing work, we talked about that. Videos. So again, while you're online, since I'm not going to be there to help you through this course, pretty much every day I will have a video. Not every day, but most of the days, again, I will have a video. So again, if I just happen to click on a week, let's just say week 4. And again, this is 7th grade, so it may not look the same for 6th and 8th, but basically it's set up the same way. So if I click on Wednesday, let's see. So here's an assignment we did on this day. Here's my assignment, and then there's a video right here, tutorial video. So this would be the things that I would go over in class, but obviously since you're not in class, you would watch the video and it'll explain everything that I would have explained in class. All right, so that takes care of videos. The only other thing I want to go over is, let's say you are having trouble with an assignment. You get stuck, you don't know what to do. Please, please, please reach out to me via email or Schoology. And when you do that, screenshots work the best. So if you have trouble with a level in code.org for 6th or 7th graders, or you're having trouble creating the app that we do in 8th grade, please screenshot the part you're having trouble with, and that it will be the best way for me to help you out with the problem that you're having. Because if you don't send me a screenshot and you just try to explain it to me, sometimes you might not explain it right and I may not be able to help you. All right, so I have you guys for 36 days. So we start on January 4th and then we finish probably sometime at the end of February, somewhere around there. All right, so again, if you guys have any questions, please email me, and I would like you to respond to the email when you and your parents have watched this video, just so I can mark you off that you are aware of the video and you are aware of my expectations. All right, so enjoy your last 2 days of break, and maybe we'll see some of you guys on Monday, but again, if you guys have any questions, just let me know. See ya.